Hey guys, this is Kristen with HK Wax Center. I'm going to show you how to use Mermaid Wax Pro Series. Now if you have any questions, anything I don't cover, feel free to comment down below. You can like, subscribe. We are on Instagram, Facebook, and if you are on Facebook, don't forget to check out Wax Club. It's for professionals only. So cosmetologists, estheticians, and if you're currently in school, you are all welcome. Now Pro Series. This is our quick cooling formulation. Now the big thing I like about this one compared to other quick cooling formulations from different companies is that you don't have to remove it immediately. You absolutely can, like I said, cools very quickly. But a lot of other companies, if you don't remove it immediately, it's going to start breaking and cracking. This one doesn't. Now it's not as elastic as our Signature series. That one is crazy elastic. You can put that strip down, go to lunch for an hour, come back, remove it, and it's still not going to break. This one's not like that, but it is still more elastic than the other quick cooling formulations. So when I compare this one, I think of either like the blue film hard waxes or the pink film hard waxes from other professional companies. So keep that in mind. So this is a hybrid polymer blend. So when I say that, it's the best of synthetic and natural ingredients combined. I'm going to show you what it looks like real quick, and then I'll exactly show you how to lay the strip. So this is a Pro Series. This is Poseidon. Poseidon is a deep purple. It's absolutely gorgeous. You'll notice in all of our waxes and all of our hard waxes, they all have a really fine iridescent glitter in them. It doesn't do anything other than just look pretty. So it's not gonna, make your skin soft or anything. It's just really for visual appeal. But it's really fine. Don't worry, it's not gonna, leave on your skin. It will, it stays suspended in the wax itself. But like I said, it's just really pretty. So first thing you want to do is make sure you have the right consistency. So honey or molasses is what I always recommend. So if you get some on the wax and you stir it, you want it to move slowly off the stick, just like this. Perfect. If it comes off too fast, the wax is too hot and it's going to burn your client. So like I said, honey or molasses, and you'll be in the clear. So let me actually lay a strip real quick so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to do it on my arm with my tattoo. That way you can see how this can be applied thinner than other waxes. So give me 1 second. Okay. So obviously I've cleansed my skin. I've done all that normal stuff. So you want to apply in the direction of the hair growth first, which in this case is going to be in an upwards direction. So I'll get off all the wax on my all the wax off my stick and then apply in an upwards motion. Just make sure you have smooth edges and come back down just like that. So like I said, you can remove it immediately. Perfect. Just like that. Awesome. All right, I'll do it one more time just so you can see it as a cleanup strip in the opposite direction. So if you have a client that has sensitive skin, I wouldn't recommend this. This is suitable for most skin types. Like I have sensitive skin and I don't have any issues with it, and most of my clients don't. But if you have a client with sensitive skin, I would go with Signature series because that one is made for sensitive skin. It's hypoallergenic, allergen free. So like I said, most skin types are absolutely fine. But if you do have a sensitive skin client, I would go with Signature. So you can see, that's a little thick right there. There we go. You can still see, even though it's a dark purple, you can see my tattoo very well through the wax. Like I said, you can apply this thinner than most. So I will flick and come off just like that. Any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to answer them for you guys. You can email sales@mermaidwax.com, or like I said, comment down below. I go through and I answer all of those myself. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.